Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Planet. In this video we will see header and footer options, that is other options. When a header or footer is selected in page layout view, header and footer, if you go to page layout view, in the view tab, first select page layout view. Now header and footer, you can see header and footer tools, then design. Now you can see options group here, which contains controls that let you to specify other options. These are the four options: different first page, I have written here, different odd and even page, scale with document, align with page margin. Now what is different first page? If checked means you can specify a different header and footer for the first printed page. For example, if you are going to the different first page, if you select here, you can type a test, you can type a different footer, header and footer. You can see second page is showing training, first page is showing test. So in this way, if you go here, different first page means first page will be with different header. Now you can see test here, you can see here training, second page. Now if I remove the tick, now you can see training. So whenever you want a different first page header, you can use this options. Second one is different odd and even pages, that is here if checked, you can specify different header and footer for odd and even pages. If checked means this is odd number 1 training. Now even you can type test. Now if you see third page, odd number, and different. Now if you have checked here, different odd and even pages will be available. Odd number pages should have different header, foot and footer, and from even numbered pages. So you can change according to your requirement. Okay, so odd number pages, even number pages will have a different odd and even pages headers. The third one is scale with document. If it is checked, the font size in the header and footer, the font size in the header and footer will be sized accordingly if the document is scaled when printed. This option is enabled by default. This option is enabled by default. If you go here, you can see that automatically enabled. Whether the header and footer should scale as you use the shrink to fit feature on the document, you have to specify that. The fourth option is align with margins. If it is checked, the left header and footer will be aligned with left margin, and the right header and footer will be aligned with right margin. This also enabled by default. If you go here, align with page margin, align the sides of the header and footer to the page margins. So these are the four options. Whenever you click this and go to the header and footer tools design tab, you can see the options here. We have already seen header and footer elements, header and footer. These are all done in the previous videos. I will give the description of the video links or the playlist link. You can go and see in that link. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Excel Planet. Thank you.